In a world dominated by marketing hype and spec sheet battles, some of the best machines on two wheels often slip through the cracks and go unnoticed. Today, we are looking beyond the brochures to find high-value, high-performance bikes that offer an exceptional riding experience for those who know where to look. Welcome to our professional countdown of 7 motorcycles that are significantly better than the mainstream market gives them credit for. Starting our list at number 7 is the Yamaha MT-07. While popular, many dismiss it as just a beginner bike, overlooking its true potential. The heart of this machine is the CP2 engine. Its cross-plane crankshaft design provides a torque-rich power delivery that punches way above its weight class. It is not just about power, it's about accessibility. With low maintenance costs and impressive fuel economy, it is a practical masterpiece for daily riders. At number 6, we have the Kawasaki Versys 650. Often overshadowed by bigger adventure bikes, this middleweight tourer is a hidden gem of versatility. The upright riding position and adjustable windscreen make long days in the saddle effortless, whether you are crossing state lines or commuting to work. Number 5 brings us to the Honda CB500X. It is the ultimate do-it-all motorcycle for those who value reliability and ease of use over raw horsepower. Honda's legendary build quality ensures this bike stays on the road for years. It is incredibly friendly for riders of all skill levels. Coming in at number 4 is the Suzuki SV650. This bike has a cult following for a reason, despite its deceptively simple and classic styling. The 90-degree V-twin engine provides a soulful character and a distinctive exhaust note that modern parallel twins simply cannot replicate. At number 3, the Triumph Street Triple. It offers exotic performance and triple-cylinder magic at a price point that undercuts many premium competitors. With top-tier suspension and Brembo brakes, it handles with surgical precision, making every back road feel like a personal racetrack. Our number 2 pick is the Harley-Davidson Low Rider ST. It blends aggressive West Coast style with serious long-distance touring capability. The Milwaukee 8 engine delivers a raw, visceral power that defines the American cruiser experience, while the fairing provides excellent wind protection. Finally, at number 1, the legendary Honda VFR 800. This is perhaps the most over-engineered and underrated sport touring bike ever built. The V4 engine with VTEC technology offers a seamless spread of power and a soundtrack that is unique in the motorcycling world. From the daily commute to cross-continental adventures, these 7 bikes prove that the best choice isn't always the most obvious one. Which of these underrated legends would you put in your garage? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe.